Welcome! Musecraft series is going to bring beautiful craft ideas for you. Craft means skill that is associated with artistic practice. The key feature of craft is doing with your hands based on a creative idea. Here we talk about studio craft that relates to decorative art and applied art. Musecraft is all about making something functional that involves design. Hello friends, today we will learn a craft work, simple, making an envelope with colorful paper which we generally buy from stationery shop and use during festival time to give small cash gift or some other thing to our family and friends. Why can't we make it ourselves? Very simple activity with simple materials. Let us learn today a new thing. Before we start the activity, let me tell you the list of materials we require. We need a sheet of paper which should be colored and textured and thick quality to create the envelope, and few more pieces of colorful paper that can be leftover pieces from your stock for creative work, for small decoration on the envelope, and a pair of scissors, pencil and small tube of Fevicol. That's it. Let us enjoy making the envelope. I am sure you will like it and find it very easy. Next time, you will never buy any envelope from the market. You will always make it yourself and share the idea with your friends and family. Take a paper and cut it in a square shape. So, to cut in a square shape, you can use this method and put a mark. Then cut it. We have cut it in square shape now, and now we will start folding and pasting to form an envelope. So we are keeping this paper this way and make a center point. You can use a pencil and just put a small dot to help yourself. Now first fold is from down till that center point. After the first fold is done, then we again do the fold from side, but there is one small thing you have to be careful. It should be overlapped. So while we are doing first fold, we have to keep in mind how to fold and how much to fold, so that the next fold comes little overlapping, and that overlapping part will be pasted. Before we fold, we just put a mark. According to the mark, we have to shape the corners before pasting and shaping it as envelope. we have to shape both sides before pasting. So now we will do the pasting with Fevicol. While pasting, we have to be careful that we need very little Fevicol for this purpose, not too much, because if we use too much of Fevicol, then it becomes untidy. Neatness is very important while we do any kind of craft work. So we can put little Fevicol here, and always use your hand, use your fingers to keep the neatness. Some people use brush, but I prefer use hand only to keep neatness intact. Now you paste both the sides. After we paste both sides, our envelope is ready. Just fold it, fold the cover, and similarly we have to shape the cover flap also in same way to make it useful. So you have to cut the corners to give the shape. While cutting, you should be very careful because small mistake can destroy the whole thing. So whenever you shape it in a curved way so that it looks good. Shape this way, and the cover flap also we have to shape it similarly in curve shape. We can keep this as pointed it is. We can also make it curved shape if we want. Same every place. So this is our envelope ready according to its utility. If it is very colorful paper, it looks beautiful. Now, just to decorate it more, what we can do, the other side, this is the front side, and the other side where we will write the receiver's name, we can decorate it more. Some more colorful paper we can use it, and any kind of decoration we can create and paste it here to add more beauty. So this is our small project of envelope making, which everyone can do, even a small child, an adult, anyone, and the shape can be different, square, rectangle, or any other shape. And make use of this colorful envelope during your festival season to gift anything